Okay, so for now, we'll be discussing naman po yung hip, knee, ankle, foot orthosis. So, una, yung orthotic hip joints. So, ito, yung hinge, it connects the lateral upright of the CAFO or knee ankle foot orthosis to a pelvic band. So, yung unang picture po na makikita nyo dito, which is itong yan, silver, yan po yung hinge na tinatawag. So, this prevents hip abduction, adduction, and rotation. So, for flexion control, add drop ring lock. So, dito sa unang picture, yung pinaka-ring na nakikita nyo dyan is yan yung drop ring lock. So, drop mo lang siya and then, yun. It will provide us a lock. So, yung H-CAFO to trunk naman, ito yung solid nylon or yung leather upholstered metal band, which is itong nasa right picture. Ayan. So, it anchors H-CAFO to the trunk, as I've said. So, hindi ito masyadong ginagamit kasi medyo mahirap siyang suotin dun sa CAFO. And then, if nakalock na yung hip joints, this restricts yung gait to the swing to or swing through pattern. So, the pelvic band is fitted upon the patient is standing. Pwedeng maging uncomfortable to, lalo na kapag magro-rotate yung patient kapag nakaupo si patient. Ayan. So, this can be used to minimize hip motions during healing, after injury or the surgery itself. Pero yung dislocation as per the book is it was not assured na pwedeng ma-prevent dito sa orthosis na to. So, it also consists of plastic pelvic shell and thigh cuff joined by single lateral upright with single axis locking hip joint. So, yung nire-restrict naman dito is yung flexion, adduction, and internal rotation.